If you're experiencing login errors on Yahoo Mail, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos, and remember that passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. If you suspect your password might be incorrect, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code and create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, accumulated cache and cookies can cause login issues. Go to your browser settings, find the options for clearing browsing data, and select cache and cookies to remove them. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions, then try logging in again. Step 5. Check Yahoo server status. Occasionally, Yahoo Mail may experience outages or maintenance. Visit the Yahoo help page or check social media for any announcements regarding server issues before attempting to log in again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login errors on Yahoo Mail. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Yahoo support for further assistance.